It's a quick video today. We're going to be working on a 6x6 tile, and I'm testing out not only my paints, but my paint consistency, but the ability for this to maintain its shape. So I've been having a little bit of problem with that in the last few weeks. So that's what this is going to be about today. It's going to be a quick and dirty, and I'm going to get this up on get up on YouTube, so we have something for Tuesday. So let's get right to it. let's talk about this 2 seconds. As I explained in the beginning, this is a test piece, and it's not meant to be high art. So let's go and look at what we got. I am looking for cell formation and consistencies of paint. So basically one of the problems I'm having recently, I think, is with my pour medium being too thin. Time will tell on this whether or not the part of this is that I've been having a hard time with is my paints have been melting, basically going totally wonky. So I think Jessica Winterstrom talked about hers recently, and it kind of made me wonder if I should talk about it. So this is what this is about. I'm just trying to get down to find out what's going on with my paints. I have another painting I'm going to be doing this week that is going to be all about cells and lacings, hence the reason for the bloom today. So I hope you found this useful, and let me get you down for the slow and easy. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Well, thank you very much for being here today, and I really do hope you got something out of this. So, until Thursday for Thursday Train, I'll see you then.